Welcome to part 2 of the Tempe Neighborhoods EPICS project. You will be working with the City of Tempe to design a bathroom for Esquire Park in the Victory Acres neighborhood. First, there were some questions that were left unanswered after the final design review from last semester. The first question was about researching more sustainable materials and appliances, and a large amount of our efforts this semester were spent determining the best possible solutions for this bathroom. The next question was about human-centered design, which was made a point of emphasis when we compared different solutions this semester. We focused on the effect that different appliances and materials would have on the user if they were implemented into the final design. The last question was about the building requirements that are placed by the city. By working with our community partners at Tempe City Hall, we were able to find building codes and requirements for our bathroom design. Next, we will compare the different materials that were considered when researching the best material to use to construct the walls of the bathroom.
Another material that we were looking into using for the walls of the bathroom was gigacrete, which is mostly hollow because it's super lightweight and sustainable using mostly filler materials and recyclables. The option that we were considering to make the walls out of is good old-fashioned concrete. We already know it's nice and sturdy and used in a lot of buildings already, and most construction crews already know how to work with it well. One solution that we are considering for the walls of our bathroom is this rammed earth, which is made out of all natural materials and can be a little bit more expensive for contractors to produce.
Alright, now we're going to move on to lights. This here is an incandescent bulb. They are the most inefficient ones that we found that we were going to use in the bathroom. These here are the fluorescent light bulbs that we were also checking to see, comparing their efficiency to the efficiency of the other bulbs. And then finally we have our winner, the LED. This LED has the highest efficiency rate mainly because of the fact that it doesn't have to be replaced as often as the fluorescent and the incandescent bulbs, and so that's why we'll be using them in the project.
Ventilation is very important in a bathroom, as you keep the air moving in and out of there. So there's two main ways that we can ventilate our bathroom, either active ventilation or passive ventilation. Active ventilation would be using a fan system, such as this, within the vents to pump air out of the bathroom using electrical power. And a passive ventilation system would be just strategically placing vents throughout the bathroom in a way to let the natural airflow get the air out of the bathroom in the best way possible.
Now we will move on to the toilets. There's the dual flush toilet, which has two flushing options, one for a 1 gallon flush and one for a 1.8 gallon flush, depending on what load is in the toilet. And then they have the high efficiency toilets, which have a 0.8 gallon flush, which is the one that we will be using for our design. As you can see, the toilets here are porcelain, so that's not going to be good for the public bathroom. These are the different types of faucets that we could use for the bathroom. The faucet wasn't actually that important except for the fact that it had to be steel. What's going to actually save the water consumption is going to be the different faucets, so we were thinking about using the WaterSense faucet in order to save water production. Now let's cut to a public bathroom. So we have the faucets that we'll be using in the public bathroom. They have a sensor so that the people don't control when the water goes on and off, so that we can save the water consumed. The sink of our bathroom is going to be made out of steel to make it more durable.
The next portion of this video will cover our advice for the team that will be continuing this project. It includes short-term goals, long-term goals, and explains how to get approval from the City of Tempe. These short-term goals consist of contacting the maintenance crew for the City of Tempe to make sure that we are using sufficient materials that will protect our bathroom from everyday wear and tear. We want to make sure that the materials that are chosen are easy to maintain and learn about the daily tasks and challenges that are incorporated with maintaining a bathroom firsthand. Previously built bathroom. This will ensure that our design is cost efficient, and we will gain valuable insight in what is needed to build a successful bathroom. Our long-term goal for this project is to get approval from the City of Tempe. To do this, our ideas must first be submitted to the City Hall. We will then obtain feedback on our ideas and make the necessary adjustments to the design and resubmit. This is called the 30-60-90 process and will be continued until we get approval by the city. Then the team must conduct a presentation of their design to City Hall. From here, there are two things that can happen. Either the city will give the project to their job order contractor and start the building process immediately, or the project will be put up for request of a low bid contractor. This, however, will take up to 3 months. It is because it will take time for the city to find a contractor that is willing and able to complete the task. If this path is taken, we will assist the city in finding a contractor, including the advertisement and creating a cost specification sheet. Either way, the design will be handed to a hired contractor and a pre-construction meeting will be held by the city, followed by requests for information. The design will be completed with a post-design service on the structure. I'm sad to announce that the exact end date for this project is unknown, due to the fact that the city does not have the budget nor the need for this design at the moment. This project will not be continuing next semester, so it looks like the people of Victory Acres will not be getting their bathroom anytime soon. Sorry, little dude.